Hey guys, wanted to show you this Wieco art print. This is a Banksy style print here. They sent me this to review, so I figured I'd unbox it, cleared a spot on the wall to hang it up, and I'd show it to you. So this is how it ships, box like so. There it is, the print. And let me get this one up like I mentioned here. Ships nice and secure. There we go. Let me grab the camera. Show it to you close up. See, it is a nice print. Depth to the frame here. It does have the kind of the standard hanger. You can see nice staple construction on the frame. So if you like the look of these, that is how she looks on the wall. This is the 17 by 13 size, so judge accordingly. Hope that helps. Thanks.